Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria. Building resilience, aligning reforms for Nigeria's development.
Welcome upstate, the 61st President, Malam Haruna and Yaya. His Imperial Majesty, the Ooni of Ife.
Therefore, with great delight that I welcome you, distinguished audience, to this highly anticipated conference.
The number one accountant in the country also, because of his own position, influence. My brother, my friend, the only my partner in anything good.
Your Excellency, the President of our dear nation, ably represented here, Sultan of Sokoto, see how we do it in ICAN. One of the finest, small but mighty, current President of ICAN. A real man of accuracy, true and fair, and other practices. And we know ICAN for what it stands for, to be just, to be fair, and also doing the very best in everything we can do. And God bless ICAN.